Hi, welcome to Unbox Unveil. Today, we'll be testing a premium screen protector from Gadget Shields for the OnePlus Nord CE3 and showing you how to install it yourself at home. If you're ordering from their website, don't forget to add the installation kit to your cart. It makes the process much easier. Now, let's get started. Your screen protector will arrive in this packaging. Inside, you'll find the screen protector, the installation kit, which includes a squeegee, a cleaning kit with wet and dry wipes, a soap solution spray. Before proceeding, I recommend scanning this QR code to watch the official installation guide for reference. Now, let's start with the installation. First, remove the old protector, if you have one installed. Then, unpack the cleaning kit and thoroughly clean your screen using the wet and dry wipes. Ensure there's no dust or smudges. Now, apply the solution. Spray the soap solution on both your hands, the phone screen, and the new screen protector. Now, align the protector. Carefully place the protector on your screen and ensure proper alignment. Remove excess liquid. Use the squeegee to push out any liquid trapped under the protector for a smooth, bubble-free finish. Now it's time to apply the back and side stickers as well by following the same steps. And that's it. Your phone now has a perfectly installed screen protector for maximum protection. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Unbox Unveil for more tech tips and unboxings. See you in the next video.